Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you a beginner's guide to Tenorshare iCareFone for WhatsApp. Are you looking for a guide on how to use Tenoshare's iCareFone specifically for WhatsApp? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So we are now in tenorshare.com, or you can go to tenorshare.net. It's the same thing. This website has apps for both iOS and Android, but it began mostly towards mostly iOS device care and support. It has apps to repair, transfer, recover, and other utilities like password protection, password change, and whatnot for your mobile device. Like what I said, specifically for iPhones or other iOS or Apple products, and now they've branched out to Android and other mobile apps. So for this video, we are going to focus on Tenoshare's iOS iCareFone transfer specifically for WhatsApp. So iCareFone is in the transfer. As you can see here, if you hover these, as you can see, repair, they have reboot, transfer, they have iCareFone. For password, they have for key. For recovery, they have alt data. For utilities, they're different. AnyGo, Phone Mirror, or DDIG, and more. So for like what I said, for transfer, iCareFone. For WhatsApp, as you can see, if you click on this, you're going to be brought to this. You're going to be brought to this page. Excuse me. See your Tenorshare iCareFone transfer. Transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without resets. So the things that you can do with this app is to transfer WhatsApp and WhatsApp business between Android and iOS without erasing data. Merge old and new WhatsApp messages between Android and iOS. Selectively transfer or restore WhatsApp messages, images, videos, GIFs, documents, and more. One click to back up or restore WhatsApp or WhatsApp business or GB WhatsApp, Kick iOS or Viber iOS. Transfer or restore GB WhatsApp data to new phone or to WhatsApp. Restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone or from iCloud to Android. And export WhatsApp or WhatsApp business or GB WhatsApp backup data to HTML. So these are the things that you can do with Tenoshare's iCareFone, specifically for WhatsApp. So as you can see here, there are two ways to download this. One is just to click on the free download. This is what most people use. If you don't really use WhatsApp, or you don't really transfer, you're not too techy, or like, oh, I want to change my phone, or I have multiple phones, then the free download would suffice for you. But if you think that you're going to use this more, just click on buy now, right? So the download and installation process is very, very straightforward, just like any other software we have today. Just follow the instructions and you'll be all sorted out and you can easily use it. So if you want to buy premium, just click on buy now. Let's click on a new tab. And as you can see, there are three types of licenses. You have 1 year, you have monthly, and you have lifetime. So lifetime, you just buy it, you just pay for it the one time. And as you can see here, 1 year is $39.95, 1 month is $19.95, and lifetime license is $49.95, respectively. And they have all the same perks: 1 PC, 5 devices, lifetime free upgrades, 30 days money back guarantee, and free customer service for all of them. And they accept payments through PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, JCB, Discover, American Express, and Maestro. That's if you want to, pay for it, which if you have the money, and if you, like what I said earlier, if you're, if you use it a lot, if you think you're going to use it a lot, then sure, right? Or if not, you just, go with a free download and it's pretty much the same thing. So, excuse me. So WhatsApp transfer, multi-directional transfer, WhatsApp and WhatsApp business between Android and iOS. iCareFone transfer supports the transfer WhatsApp and WhatsApp business messages and attachments including videos, images, and files between Android, iOS, Android, and iOS and iOS without any limitations. Which this is actually, this covers the latest iOS 17 upgrade update. Um, so again, like what I said, from Android to Android, iPhone to iPhone, and iPhone to Android. One-click backup WhatsApp and WhatsApp business chats to PC and Mac. iCareFone transfer for WhatsApp backup surpasses the official solution for WhatsApp chat backup from iPhone or Android to computer or Mac with amazing speed, one-click capabilities, and you can also download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to Windows and restore to Android or iOS device. iOS, Android WhatsApp restore, fully restore WhatsApp and WhatsApp business backup to iPhone, iPad, or Android. This enables you to restore messages or business chats to your iOS and Android devices. 100% success rate ensures you won't be bothered by the trouble of losing data in your work or daily life. You can also export and view WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. Whether it's chats, contacts, photos, or other data, you can use iCareFone Transfer to export them as file for viewing. The messages and links can be exported as HTML. All your data can be exported optionally, saving you time from the very beginning. So you don't need to export everything. So you can export whatever it is that you want. You can select it. So you can also back up Kik and Viber at no cost. It supports backup to these apps free of charge and restore backups from iOS to iOS with high efficiency. No worries anymore since you're changed to new iOS devices. So if you happen to get a new iPhone, you can easily back these up and just send it to your new device. And transfer WhatsApp messages between iPhone and Android. It's very easy. Download iCareFone Transfer, connect iPhone and Android to the computer, and then click transfer. As you can see here, step 2, verify target account. Please verify the target device by entering country code and phone number, and then click verify, as you can see here. And then step 3, transfer successfully. After generating data to the target device, your WhatsApp data has been transferred successfully, as you can see here over at the right corner. And why should you choose Tenorshare iCareFone Transfer? You can factory reset, success rate, time needed, merge Android and iOS device original WhatsApp data at supported device. So as you can see, move to iOS, not needed, low success rate, more than 30 minutes, not supported, Android 5 or above. So as you can see here, with iCareFone factory reset, no factory reset, success rate, high success rate, 99%. Time needed to transfer, 6 to 10 minutes, which is way, way faster than more than 30 minutes, right? Merge Android and iOS device original WhatsApp data, support merging WhatsApp data, supported device system, Android 2 to 13, support all iOS versions, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much the outlook, the general coverage of Tenoshare's iCareFone Transfer for WhatsApp. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.